It's day 20 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, and we're going to start our load of laundry. A load a day keeps Mount Washmore away. That's what the FlyLady says, and I'd have to agree. Not only that, but I'm adding it keeps Mount Foldmore away. It could be easy to throw all the loads in the wash at once. I'm not gonna say that it's not, and even dry them. But when those loads come out, boy oh boy, do we have a mountain to fold. Doing a small load every single day will always keep our hampers cleared, our drawers full, and it would reduce overwhelm. Try this one at least for the challenge before you decide if it's not for you. But I'm telling you, this has been a total game changer. No more all day laundry dons. This has been it for my household. I know everyone's household and schedules are a little bit different, but try to squeeze in a load a day for the sake of the challenge and see how you feel. Sometimes you can't do it all at once, and I get it. Maybe in the morning you throw in the load, in the afternoon you might want to move it to the dryer, and before evening, please before evening, as much as you can, fold it and put it away. We're not done until we fold it and put it away. Before that, the machine is the one doing all of the work. So let's add this one to our habit trackers, and so far we have been dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, 15 minutes of email declutter, a cleaning mission from the FlyLady website, making our bed, a 15-minute declutter in our zones. We've also been doing a 15-minute rest right after that, shining our sinks, picking out our clothes, checking our calendars the night before, going to bed on time, and now we're going to add doing a load of laundry. All day we have been saying kind words to ourselves. Feel free to tweak the routine however you might want. Maybe some things I do in the morning, you'll be better off doing in the afternoon. Try to leave as little as possible for the evening, unless of course you work the night shift, and then work it for your schedule. But let's be sure to write them down so that we don't miss anything. If you want to walk along with the missions with us, don't forget to join the Homemakers Circle. Not only is it chock full of accountability, we also have exclusive guides, bonus challenges, one-on-ones, and not to mention, even after this challenge is over, we're going to do some more exclusive challenges over there. So be sure to join. It's only $10 or $20 depending what tier you want to go for, and don't forget to get your freebies down below. And I'll see you Monday for day 21 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.